In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Lucidchart. Whether you're new to Lucidchart or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the basics, ensuring you can customize your diagrams with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Lucidchart homepage. If you're not already there, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you should see an option that says New right there in front of you. Click on that button to kick off the process of creating a new document. Next, as you hover over the options, you'll notice a section labeled Lucidchart. Go ahead and hover over it and you'll see a drop-down appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Blank Document. This option will allow us to start from scratch, giving us a clean slate to create exactly what we need. Once your blank document is open, you might encounter a template prompt. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's close that template suggestion window for now. We're aiming for a clear and simple workspace to keep our focus on adding text. Now that we have a blank canvas, let's turn our attention to the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several sections there, but what you're looking for is labeled as Standard. Click on Standard, which houses a variety of elements and tools you can use in your diagram. In this Standard section, you'll find a tool that looks like a letter T. This is the text tool, and it's our main focus today. Once you've located the T icon, you'll need to click on it to activate the text tool for use. Now comes the fun part. With the text tool selected, you can click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. But what if you want a text box in a specific spot or size? Simply click, hold, and drag the text tool on the canvas. This allows you to create a perfectly sized text box exactly where you want it. Release the mouse button and then start typing your text into the box. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your Lucidchart document. From here, you can format it as desired, changing the font, color, size, or even adding effects to match your overall design aesthetic. Adding text is just the beginning. As you grow more comfortable navigating Lucidchart, you'll find countless ways to enhance your diagrams and presentations. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further guidance on using Lucidchart, feel free to reach out. Happy diagramming!